Wildcats, this is Mr. Graber. I'm here to give our award winners for the month of January. So as always, we'll start with our Service Above Self, which goes to a third grader who goes above and beyond. So just a reminder that our Service Above Self is sponsored by our Rotary Club, so we thank them for their support. So our Service Above Self for January is Brooklyn Cecil. Congratulations to Brooklyn. Next will be our Wildcats of the Month for January, which are sponsored by our Harrisonville Police Department, and we thank them for their support. So we'll start with first grade. Our first grade Wildcats of the Month are Brogan Witherspoon and Macy Seymour. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Emma Rorvig and Grace Malone. And finally, our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Blakely Canoy and Piper Trussell. Congratulations to all those students. And finally, our Counselor Award, which kind of goes between Mrs. Sumner and I. So this month, Mrs. Sumner picked the Counselor Award that goes to the first grade classroom of Miss Eccles. So congratulations to all of our January award winners.
Good afternoon, Wildcats. It's time for our January awards. We're going to start with our Mathematician of the Month. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job with math over the past month. Whether in-class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. Today we are presenting awards to our January mathematicians. Congratulations to the following recipients: Gavin Gutjar, Jace Ekstrom, Nolan Davis, Remy Larkham, Chase Dunsmore Walker, Bowen Horton, Taylor Vaughn, Brady Snyder, Duke Baldwin, Sutton Armbruster, America Rodriguez, Riley Dunn, Archer Barnes, Petra Arnold, Hope Landstrom, Drake Dubray, Kinsley Brown, Braylon Roberts, Tommy Lash, Farrell Johnson, Elena Thomas, and Emma Britton. Congratulations, mathematicians, for January. It is now time to present our Character Trait Awards. The Character Trait Awards are given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited self-confidence during the month of January. The recipients are positive, upbeat, and great examples to their classmates. Congratulations to our Character Trait Award winners for January. The recipients are Bradley Thornton, Bentley Totten, Hadley Wyatt, Elena Hunter, Gabe Peak, Mackenzie Soderstrom, Bryson Miner, Riley Quick, Mackenzie Miller, Jordan Onnen, Gabe Mooney, Parker Fugate, Easton Allen, Tyson Talbert, Samuel Boyd, Waylon Hufford, Mac Henderson, Paisley Grass, Trenton Lindsay, Lydia Vaughn, Ariel Ray, Roland Guzman, Devin Miller, Kinsey Moreland, Taylor Ward, Tanner Sexton, Ava Stevens, Klein Sleister, Aubrey Lair, Tucker Bergo, Delaney Ash, Logan Sexton, Olive Kitahara, Malia Ford, Chase Petchel, Ivy Calloway, Brooklyn Gutjar, Raiden Simmons, Isabel Morales, Colton Sanders, Easton Darby, Dallas Hall, Ashlyn Anderson, and Mario Villa. Congratulations to our Character Trait winners for the month of January.
Hi Wildcat family, it's Mrs. Henderson back in the art room, and I'd like to congratulate this month's Art in the Community award winners. These artists have artwork still on display throughout the community, so when you're out and about, keep your eyes open for it. We have from second grade Henry Marshall, Tyson Phillips, Caleb Bird, Tommy Lash, Bowen Horton, Ashley Erickson, Kaylin Holt, and Alyssa Overcast. From first grade we have Jack O'Connell, Connor Boyd, Caden Brown, Liam Coltrane, Easton Choate, and Macy Seymour. Congratulations, first grade and second grade artists. Our third graders have been super busy working on 3D paper sculptures, which unfortunately we do not put in this display this month. So thank you again for all those wonderful artists. I also want to congratulate Mrs. Durnell's class as our art award winner for this month. They have been from day one showing amazing teamwork, dedication to their projects. I wish everyone could walk in and see them working because it's a true joy to have them in the art room. So thank you, Mrs. Durnell's class, for always doing your best. Hope you have a great day.
Hi Wildcats and Wildcat families. Welcome to the music room. Hey, I wanted to show some of our families something they might have heard a little bit about at home, something we have in the music room that we've been using on a day-to-day basis. This year at the beginning of the year I got these big buckets to hold lots of different instruments, and every day when we come into music we usually start with an activity where the kids get to pick one instrument of their choice out of the bucket to play the steady beat or to play different rhythm patterns with, and sometimes the kids also in addition get to create their own patterns. But we've got little drums they can tap, we've got rhythm sticks they can tap, we've got triangles to make a pretty ringing bell sound. We have different kinds of jingle bells. This is one type we have, and egg shakers. We also have some other supplies in there like a marker and eraser because sometimes we practice writing music as well. So just wanted to share a little something that we have here in the music room that is something that we've been doing that you might hear about. Also, for all of our second grade families, don't forget we have a virtual performance coming up on March 1st and March 2nd. And I think I've heard back from most families. If you haven't reached out to me yet to let me know, if your kid can participate in that, you might be sure and give me a call or an email. All right, well, I'm so excited today to share with you some of our January music stars. I'm going to begin with our 3 class awards. So the class that earns the most stickers on our Bravo board chart in the back of the room, they are the class that gets the award, and they get it by doing a great job together as a class of following the rules and expectations, but they also get it for doing really outstanding musical things in the music room as well. So today I want to congratulate our 3rd grade class this month was Miss Hayden's class. Our 2nd grade Bravo board winners were Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, and our 1st grade class was Mrs. Brown's class. Congratulations, guys, and thanks for working so hard. Now I want to give out our individual music awards. In Miss Arbace's group, congratulations to Layla Gray. In Mrs. Baldwin's class, the award goes to Madeline Feast. In Mr. Barasco's class, London Sloan. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Peyton Waller. In Miss Hassick's class, Jersey Hargrave. In Miss Hayden's class, Petra Arnold. In Mrs. Hopper's class, Madeline Malone. In Mrs. Castellano's class, Michaela Coffey. In Mrs. Durnell's class, Eris Shreve. In Miss Harrigan's class, Emily Soriano. In Mrs. Hastings' class, Harper Shoemaker. In Mrs. Schenker's class, Abby Enderly. In Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Farrell Johnson. In Mr. Waite's class, Araya Ray. In Mrs. Arnold's class, Dane Clausen. In Mrs. Brown's class, Ben Litchfield. In Miss Eccles' class, Cora Hawkins. In Mrs. Florence's class, Mac Henderson. In Mrs. Holman's class, Calvin Culpepper. In Mrs. Jackson's class, Olive Kitahara. In Mrs. Mitchell's class, Adeline Cheney. And Mrs. Snyder's class, Isaiah Berg. Great job, Wildcat musicians.
Hello, Harrisonville Elementary. Coach Weichel here. I am going to present the Sportsmanship Awards for this month. Sportsmanship Award for the month goes to the class of Miss Hassick. Congratulations, guys. Our first graders are going to be Aubrey Lair and Marcus McCain. Nice work. Second grade, Emma Rorvig and Corbin Hackler. Nice job, guys. And third, Sonny Jackson and Nolan Davis. You all did a phenomenal job, and congratulations.